Alright, my 6-year-old Gemma is videoing me for making our own V8. So the first part is to get the kale leaves. I don't like this stalk because it's kind of like bitter, but so it's up to you. So what I do is I take this. So I have like about 8 of those kale. So you can make your own V8. Healthy, and it's good for you. So after you take that, okay, pause. Now continue. So I use this strainer for the vegetable because it's always good to. So probably a cup of spinach on it. So, because they always tell us to, you know, always wash your vegetable first. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this. And the good about the strainer is that it takes the water out. So when you juice it, so from there, we have 3 large tomatoes, and I usually put 1 red beets, but there's just a little small, so I'm just gonna combine them both. And then I have about 8 or 6 to 8 carrots, 1 lemon, and 1 medium size or large size, depends, of apple, because I have a small apple, so I'm going to put 2. That would make about 32 ounces of your own. Tomatoes and everything, and now the last part is I always use the third flat because it's kind of dry and it cleans the juicer too. And when you're done,
I'll try a little bit.
I use the sea salt and just a little.
Shake.
Just for the taste. So
just a little shake.
A pinch of sea salt.
So.
And
And then some people who are drinking it put a little bit more salt in.
then you drink it. You
mix
it all up. You can add more salt if you want to.
Can you take out the foam? Tell them how you can take out the foam.
You can take the foam out, but
by mixing it. Mom's gonna have all of it since she loves it.
Now, here's your
Dad, drink it so
your V8.
and say yummy at the end.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Why is it on the floor?
I don't know. You record the rest, Taylor.
That is delicious.